Okay, go.
You've all seen the Blair Witch. This is the Pemco 47 Ghost. I think I saw something that way. Let's go. Very dark in here. Scary. I don't see anything, but I thought I heard something back this way. There's the elevator. Again. Shh. Oh my God, I don't know what's going on in here. Huh?
It won't work because it's locked.
Oh, wait a minute. Aha! So it goes up. Oh, yeah.
It goes to the upper deck.
There it is. Yep. So, Kurt Russell's not below, huh?
No.
You can't go down. Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, that solves that myth. We are part of the Mythbusters crew here. And we just blew that myth out of the water.
Well,
Huh?
the older models probably have some, well, the Air Force One has that model that actually, because you have all the food and shit in the cargo compartment.
Right.
So you have to bring it up.
So.
The normal 47 system.
Oh, fuck, we're fucked. Okay. What's wrong with your flashlight, man? Are you not gonna talk?
What do you want me to say? I'm trying to fucking hold this camera without killing myself.
Alright, here we go. This is the eerie part. I think the pilot was murdered. Oh! Damn, I don't know. There's somebody up there hanging over the controls. See? I see blood on the floor. Okay. Alright. Where the fuck is that elevator? I don't know. What do you think, Beaton?
I don't know, man.
I'm scared.
Fucking frightened.
I'm scared. We might as well go see. Make sure. Make sure it's safe. Oh. Maybe she's up here somewhere. My water cup is still here.
Whoa! What the fuck was that?
Fuck! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh.
People are asking if we're alright.
What?
People are asking if we're alright.
Yeah. Are we?
I don't know. You hear them?
Better get out of here.
Oh, God.
They're coming. They're here. Damn your flashlight.
It's dead, man.
Is that what the problem is?
Yeah, it's dead. It's dead.
They're coming. Let's go. Upon further investigation, we have found nothing yet. Only to hear noises and rustling. And my battery is dead. So, here we go. We're going to go down to the lower deck again. See if Kurt Russell's down here. There's somebody up there.
I don't know how much battery life I have, so we need to wrap this up.
Okay. Oh, well, there we go. We're good. No, we're not. Alright, well, we're going to have to come back and investigate later. I keep seeing something moving back there.
What? Say this as Sean, you're going to sign off.
No. Can't do that.
Why?
Okay, we're signing off.